night's glow. By candles flicker soft and pretty, a Spanish lady bathed below. First she washed them, then she dried them, o'er the fire her laughter stole. Never have I seen such beauty, graceful hands and silver souls. Oh, the Spanish lady, wild and free, dancing like the waves at sea. Dark-eyed mystery, soft and shy. Oh, my heart she passes by. At dawn's first light through Dublin city, past the bridge at 8:30. There she sat so bright and pretty, brushing hair in woven braids. First she tossed it, then she combed it, through her fingers black as night. Never have I seen such wonder, golden locks and morning light. Oh, the Spanish lady, wild and free, dancing like the waves at sea. Dark-eyed mystery, soft and shy. Oh, my heart she passes by. Was she real or was she dreaming? Like the tide she slips away. Every step my heart is scheming, will I find her once again? At dusk once more through Dublin city, in the amber setting glow. By the shore so sweet and pretty, she cast a net where moonlight flows. When she saw me, then she fled me, lifting lace above her knee. Never have I chased such laughter, lost in love's sweet mystery. Oh, the Spanish lady, wild and free, dancing like the waves at sea. Dark-eyed mystery, soft and shy. Oh, my heart she passes by. Oh, the Spanish lady, wild and free, dancing like the waves at sea. Dark-eyed mystery, soft and shy. Oh, my heart she passes by.